Hey guys, my name is Crypto, and on this channel we talk about the hottest crypto projects and launches. And today guys, I want to talk about another great crypto project, and actually this will be a project we talked before, but in my opinion this project is still super undervalued and actually bringing great updates. But before that, I need to remind you that a financial advisor. This video is not financial advice, guys. Always the research, and let's check out today's project.
Get money.
And the project we're gonna talk about today is called Sonorus. And actually I did quite a few videos about this project. And I think, in my opinion, this project is still super under the radar. And today we have this pretty bullish crypto market. And I think this project is waiting to actually break out and make big returns for the early investors. So today in this video, we're gonna talk about all the latest Sonorus updates. I'm gonna talk about the price prediction. But let's start off by quickly just recapping what is Sonorus for all the new viewers, because we have lots of new subscribers. So let's get into it. So Sonorus project has few building blocks. First of all, they have the token. Second, they have the app, and also they have the DJ NODE. So you can see actually the app is available on the Android and App Store, decentralized music voting, and rewards with Trend 5. And actually Sonorus already has an active app with lots of different users. I think 300,000 users, which is really impressive number for a brand new project. And actually people watching right now can click on these buttons and download this app and actually use this app to earn tokens. After that, let's learn about the actual app and what does it do. So basically they have music voting, which is I think one of the key features. So discover music's next big thing with our innovative voting system. As the popularity of tracks grow, the value of your votes also grows. Engage, support, and trade trends. Your interactions with your favorite music and artist is now rewarded. So basically you can pick different songs, vote, get votes, and this gets you rewards, which is I think pretty cool gamified idea. Empower music on chain and earn. So lend your voice to emerging tracks with your own chain voting. As the community rallies behind a song, the weight of your support grows, increasing the value of your music portfolio. So basically actually this reminds me kind of a Friend Tech, and there's like a bunch of different projects. On my channel I covered pretty similar projects like Socrates. In my opinion, this idea is really great, and it's really still hyped, still trending. They call it TrendFi. It's also called, I think, SocialFi. After that, nominate songs. So fans and artists can actually, share their songs, catapult the songs to popularity, and of course, also get rewards for it. And you can see they have really strong investor backing. So in my opinion, the idea, the project, the app looks really, really good, really bullish. That's why I'm actually talking about this project, because I think the idea is solid. But now let's talk about the updates, because lately, in the past few weeks, past few days, they released lots of different updates and really positive updates for actually community, for the users to earn more money. And we can jump into the Medium post to kind of understand what's new. So, new voting mechanism, introducing dynamic pricing based on song popularity. And actually you can already see these results and start earning these big rewards in the app. For example, Friday song called Drama from IASPA already did 2,700x, which is really impressive. In my opinion, this is pretty crazy. So the opportunity is here. All you need to do is download the app and actually start using it. And we have the key information of this update. So understanding the buying price mechanism. First of all, the popularity factor. The cost of votes will now reflect song's current popularity. As a song becomes more popular and receives more votes, its price will increase more rapidly. So basically they're increasing how much you can make, and actually we're going to talk about the actual numbers a bit later after checking this information. After that, formula for buying price. So the buying price of each vote is calculated based on the previous vote's price, an increment factor, and the song's popularity. After vote is bought, the popularity factor will be equal to 100%, decreasing by 10% every 2,400 blocks. The popularity factor will now determine the additional price increase of the vote. And the last one, popularity metrics and decay popularity, is quantified and decreased by 10% every 2,400 blocks, approximately 2 hours, resetting to 0 if no purchases are made within that period. After that, selling price dynamics. So selling price calculation. The selling price of vote is determined by its purchase price and popularity price percentage. Next up, price percentage increase. So the percentage starts at 80% of the price value and increases by 2% every 240 blocks, around 12 minutes without sales, eventually reaching 1. And we have some of the example scenarios. And Of course, I recommend you to download the app and try it, of course, yourself, because yeah, reading it sounds maybe a bit complicated, but it's pretty simple app and it's pretty fun. So first of all, multiple vote buying. When purchasing multiple votes, each vote after the first will be priced at the highest price according to the new formula. Multiple vote selling, in bulk selling, the price percentage for all votes will be set at 80% of the previous vote value, except for the first vote, which will be priced according to the price value increase since the previous vote was sold. And actually, I will leave this article in the description so you can actually check out all this information and of course learn better about it. So just make it simple and just have some clear numbers. The profit upgrade is from 1.19x to 120x on the 20th vote, which is really crazy increase. That's why I'm talking about this project, because I think this could bring a lot of hype, and 3095x profit on the 100th vote. And actually previous on the app, you could see some people getting 1000 votes at one time per one user, which is pretty crazy. So in my opinion, this is a really bullish and needed update, because kind of the hype was dying out. The market cap was going lower. But after these bigger updates, we're seeing that the actual app is kind of back. People are again hyped. People are investing. And if we jump into actual charts, you can see the price is starting to look better. But again, I think the project is super undervalued. If you check the numbers, the market cap is 1,680,000, which is really low for this kind of project, because they have really big user base. They have apps already out. They are in a really hot and trending niche like the SocialFi, Trendify. And in my opinion, from here, we only can go up. Again, not a financial advice, but from what I see, this project looks really bullish, and I still don't get it why more people are not jumping on the train. And lastly, you can actually jump into their Twitter. They have 150,000 followers, so community is huge. Always doing some different giveaways, airdrops, so I recommend you to actually go to their social media to learn all the latest updates. And the last thing I want to talk about is the DJ Node, which is third part of this project. So if we jump in here, they're actually selling DJ nodes, and now they sold 10,839. And you can actually buy these nodes and get passive income. And I will leave my code in the description. So if you plan to buy the DJ node, you can actually use my code and purchase this DJ node and earn free tokens from this project. So in my opinion, the project looks really, really bullish. They're offering lots of different features. Again, they're offering active app. And also, if you want to learn, they have a white paper with all the information available. So you can do your own research. So as usual, guys, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments or join my free Telegram group in the description and top comment. Thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.